Gemini, 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 September 15 to 21. Yes, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Shout out po ako sa mga OFW dyan. Welcome back, welcome back. So, weekend na naman po. Yes, another week, another completion. Completion ng ating week. Anything na in full circle, completion po yan. Yeah. So, yung shorter na completion, mas ano yun, mas ramdam natin yun. Parang ano yan yung project natin. Kumbaga sa cycle ng buhay, yung ating how long na mag-evolve tayo dun sa a given situation. So cycle ng pagluluto at paglalaba. Yeah. So tomorrow is how do you call it, laundry time. Yeah, tignan natin ang energy Gemini September 15 to 21. Yeah, salamat po sa mga nanonood ng channel ko. OFW, shout out. Yeah, in case you don't know, OFW din po ako. Oops, ang dami nito Wait, hindi ko kukunin yun. Parang iba yung energy. Okay, i-shuffle ko ulit. Parang malakit na naman itong Gemini na to. Oops. Meron pang ganyan. Heartache. Tingnan natin. Heartache yun merong decision maker. Merong financial supporter. Merong big deal. Big business deal si Gemini. Parang kontrata ng DPWH yun So, wag po nating seryosohin yung nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Well, it's not something na how do you call it, we can solve easily. Malalim yung pinanggagalingan Malalim po yung pinanggagalingan. Offer justice. Gusto mo ng fair and square. Gusto mo sa relationship fair and square. Kung meron mang kakatok sa puso mo, gusto mo na yung tamang kakatok na yan bago mo siya buksan. Yes? Yan You're looking for that balance, equilibrium. Gemini, duality. So, hindi makadesisyon minsan niya hindi niya itatanong sa kakambal niya. Yes? Ayan niya yung kakambal niya. Pero pag ganyan, Gemini, tama yata sa'yo tugman-tugma First two cards. Okay? You want to celebrate or you are contemplating to celebrate. Bakit pumasok yun? Contemplating. Bakit ko nasabing contemplating? Kasi merong merong hindi pa dumarating Merong hindi pa dumarating. Nakabitin pa ito. Message. Ayan Message yan Anything na offer pa lang. Nasa illusion stage. O ikaw ang nagdi-dream na yung offer na yun dumating into reality. Yes? Kasi nandun ka sa justice na balancing act Balancing act. Oops, ba't naglolo ko? Yes. Okay, you want that. You want that energy of yung weighing scale mo, mabalance mo siya. Hinahanap ni Gemini yan Hindi yan muna magdidesisyon hanggat walang 110% na sure siya. Anything. Alam niya yung niyan alam niya yung gusto niyan Alam mo yung gusto mo dito dun sa offer na yun naka-define siya. You define it. Kasi otherwise, hindi mo maiisip itong mode na how you gonna move forward. Okay? 1 plus 1 equals 3. Yan siya eh. 1 plus 1 equals 3. Yun ang definition niya ng justice. Meaning, yung equilibrium. Yes? Hindi ito yung justice na nasa korte or something. Any aspeto ng pagdedesisyon or movement or scenario, kasi nga merong parang nagsisinungaling. Merong parang nagloloko. Okay? Merong deception in broad daylight. Merong mga ganyan, Gemini. Meron kang naamoy. Yun ang hinihintay mo. Yun ang hinihintay mo. Kasi nga parang hindi solid yung offer na yun. Hindi solid yung offer na yun. Kasi hilaw siya. Hindi mo maramdaman. Hindi mo maramdaman. Tinatry mo siyang maramdaman. Tipo na okay. Kain tayo sa labas. Sige, okay. Kain tayo sa labas. Tapos nang bibitin. Yun. Okay, yun yung halimbawa merong offer, 1 step forward, 3 step backward. Kain tayo sa labas, magkape-kape tayo. Okay? Yes. Sige, kain tayo, inom tayo ng kape. Okay. Tapos 3 hours before ng ay, ang traffic. Yan eh. Ito yung So, ayan yung crow. Nakanganga. Ano lang eh. Nga. Paano ba Yes. So, hindi mo maramdaman talaga na gusto pa talaga ako nitong ilibre ng kape. Any type of connection. Kumbaga sa boss mo sige, Gemini, malaki yung benta natin. Okay. So, bibigyan kita ng magandang bonus or something, ha? Sige po. Okay. So, trabaho ka naman, bigay ka naman dito, linis ng bahay, etc. Tapos, pagkatapusan na ng buwan, sasabihin ng amo mo, na pala, yung customer natin o yung si ganyan, nang hihiram ng hindi nakabayad. Okay? May istorya. So, okay, tao ba ito o ikaw ito? Another person. Yung emotion. Nandun pa rin yung drive mo eh. Parang hindi ka pa rin nawawala ng pag-asa. Kung ano man ito, kumbaga sa sinabi na nagkape tayo, o sige, 3 p.m., okay, nandun ka na ng alas 12. Tapos, kung nangyayari yan ngayon, 2:59, okay, yes, nandun ka pa rin. Yan yung level ng ng energy mo na to believe na yung nag-invite sa'yo magkape, darating, kasi 2:59, 3 p.m. naman yung ninyo. Yes? May posibilidad na hanggang 3:30 ka. Yun, alam mo yung level of that, that commitment, that's passion. O hinihintay mo yun na it can work both ways, okay? Yung passion na yun is for you to walk away. Meron bang ganyan? Okay? Again, yung definition yung kaninang yung amo, okay? Hindi nagbayad yung customer, okay? So, madidelay mo na yung ko sa'yo, yung pangako ko sa'yo. Ayan eh. Okay? Madidelay muna yung pangako ko sa'yo. So, ikaw naman, sige po, hintayin ko sa susunod na buwan. Yes? Yan. Okay? Tingnan natin kung nanawa ka dito, Gemini. Oops. Ano yung sumusungaw na yon? Gemini, September 15 to 21. Wala na yata dito sa card. Tignan ko dito sa kabilang card. Tignan natin. Meron mga ganong storyline, Gemini. Tignan natin. Okay? Gusto mo ng independence. Okay? Right? Yun ang justice na hinihintay mo yata. Treatment fairly. Kasi hindi ka you want to have that power na you don't want to be on that side of the weighing scale most of the time. Okay? Yung true self mo is na parang nadadilute na kape na matabang. Meron bang ganyan? Justice. So when you talk about justice, it's all about equilibrium, fair treatment, and self-respect. Okay, tingnan natin Gemini. So ano ba itong ni Gemini na ito? Tingnan natin Gemini, ano ba yung hinahanap mo? Okay, ito na siya. Ito na siya. Okay. Okay, power couple. Dynamics ito ng relationship. Being Gemini, so, ito yung power couple. If you are both emotionally connect, intuition, emotionally, you have that balance. Yes? May balance. You have that commitment. You have that passion. Yes? Kung ano yung ino-offer nung isa, dapat ganun din ang ino-offer ng isa. That's justice for you. Okay. Now, anong pa ang kulang at hinahanap mo yung justice? Ano pa yung kulang at hinahanap mo yung justice? Ano pa yung kulang at hinahanap mo yung justice? Ano yung nangyari sa inyong dalawa? Ano yung nangyari sa inyong dalawa? Ano yung nangyari sa inyong dalawa? Ano yung nawala? Ano yung Gemini? Ano yung nangyari na merong nawala, merong kang tower moment dito, may gumuho dito. Bakit gumuho? Gumuho para makakamit mo yung justice na hinahanap mo, yung equality na hinahanap mo. O you have to act. Or you have to act. You have to act what? Why? Bakit kailangan magkaroon ng tower moment sa Gemini? Ano yung message mo doon? Anong nangyari? What's happening in that one? Okay. Broken foundation. Family foundation. Walang solid foundation yung relationship. It's all about emotion. It's all about emotion. It's all about caring. And walang solid foundation at walang solid basis for either of you. Yung isa lang sa inyo ang merong solid foundation in terms of building that relationship. Walang pera. Sino yung walang pera? Puro love, walang pera? Walang passion. Walang passion. Bakit nawala? Bakit nawala? So, anong ginawa ng isa? Anong ginawa ninyo? I think this is reverse. Walang suporta. Hindi i-balance yun. Hindi balance. Anything na nag-tip up yung weighing scale, it's not justice. No financial support. No. Merong betrayal. Merong player. Merong kasinungalingan. Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Okay. Tingnan ko. Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Ano yung tower moment? Na palagi na lang tayong nag-aaway? Bakit kayo nag-aaway? Okay. Are you regretting something? Are you regretting something? Ito yung issue na, okay, sa trabaho, meron kayong connection ng amo, office mate mo, yung mga ganyan tipo, okay? Pero alam mo na, sa work environment, ano lang yan they're not your family. Yes, they're not your family. Definitely, family, yung definition mo ng family is somebody close to your heart. They are close to your heart also. May connection ka emotionally, attached ka. Pero that doesn't mean na palagi kayo nagkakaintindihan. Kumbaga sa trabaho. Now, having that same setting sa relationship, pero ito this is your twin soulmate. Hindi mo siya soulmate kung hindi balanse. May nangyari. May sumusungo na meron kang sinisilip na iba dahil may lumalapit, may third party. Nawala yung passion mo dito Nawala yung passion mo dito Ngayon, nakatingin siya dun sa na supposed to be expectation na somebody who could offer. Ayan siya yung kamay niya, offer okay, ano yung offer? And I'm waiting for that one, whatever offer that is. Maaring stability. It's all about stability. It's all about stability, and that offer is not coming. Puro ito, miscommunication. Puro miscommunication. Pero you're trying to rise above the situation, both of you, or you're both drowning in that emotion. Meron ba ganyan, Gemini? Ay na naman siya. 10. Family dynamics. Family dynamics, Gemini. Family dynamics. Mabilis na darating. Mabilis na darating. Ano yung mabilis na darating daw? Curious ka Ano ba yung curiosity mo? Curious ka Curious ka to what? Curious ka where? Curious ka sa bago mong nakilala? O sa message na merong you want to celebrate somehow. Merong kang pinagse-celebrate. Meron ka pinagse-celebrate. Nagbago na ba? Nagbago na ba siya? Dahil what? Okay? One of you learned the lesson. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan? Gemini? You are about to celebrate, or are you celebrating in hiding? You are celebrating in hiding. I think pareho kayong merong it's not what's happening inside, sa outside. Meron ka bang ex? Or one of you? One of you. If it's this is something related to a divorce, it's the settlement. Ayaw mo nang yung regret na yun, yung past regret na yun, it's no longer there, or dahil na overcome mo na yun. There is somebody who is making na nagpapatibok ng iyong ulit na natutulog na damdamin, or yung nakaraan na yun hinahanap mo kasi mas is this an issue of past relationship na it's you want to buhayin kasi meron kayong nakaraan na mas solid It can work both ways, okay? Yung present scenario is yung present na relationship mo, it's merong connection kayo emotionally, definitely. Yes? Okay? Now, you have all the inspiration to have it worth fighting for. Yes? Okay? However, one of you have a past. Yes? Eventually, that past, did it resurface? Did it resurface? It resurfaced kasi nga you realize na kung ano man yung promises na yun, there was some big player here na it's very scheming. Ano pa ba yung word na yun? Basta yung hindi yun yung panloob at yung panlabas. Ano ba ang tawag po doon? Yes, that's what happened. Kung yun yung past, and one of you regret yung situation na ito because meron ka bang ipinagpalit sa nakaraan na parang bumalik, kasi meron ng nakaraan na it's not perfect. It's not perfect, pero merong malalim na nakaraan. You created something in the past as well. Yes, meron bang ganyan? Meron kang nakaraan na ano eh. Sino ngayon nakakuha ng justice na ito? If it's what does it mean for you to have that justice? Ano yung hinanap mo? Why are you looking for that justice? Why do you have justice here? Why do you have justice here? Ano yung justice na hinanap mo na yun? Justice to what? Reckoning mo dahil sa merong nangyari na it works both multiple ways kasi ito sa relationship din eh. I see here 3 of Cups. It's only at for me it signifies at a third wheel. Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Hindi happiness itong ano na ito eh. Celebration eh. Celebration. Again, ano ba yung storya ko kapag merong yung superficial na winning? Yeah. Sino, ikaw ba yung binasahan ko last time na sabi ko, nawala yung sing-sing and then you finally get the justice that you deserve. Kasi let's say nahuli yung nagkumuha ng sing-sing. Yes. Pero the mere fact na yung sing-sing na wala, na hindi mo na ibabalik, you get the justice. Nahuli yung kumuha, pero hindi na maibabalik yung sing-sing. That's what 4 of Cups mean. Kaya yung happiness mo dito, kung nakuha mo yung justice because of what had happened, it's not something na for you, it's not something solid kasi wala na rin yung sing-sing. You get that that concept, Gemini, kung yan yung situation na yun. Meron kang regret eh. And there's this constant struggle and fighting because of what? Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? Meron bang nakuha dito? Tingnan ko. Meron, di ba? Meron ganyan. Meron ganyan. Now, ano yung hinanap? What is that tower moment na for you to celebrate superficially? Ano yung nangyari na yun na tower moment na superficially yung happiness mo? Is it superficial ba? I don't see here na you are ready to move something, somewhere, somehow. Ano rin eh, you try also to save, to work on it. To save, to work on it because of this 7 Pentacle. You try to nurture it. You try to nurture it, either one of them, kung ito between 2 types of relationship that you have. Kumbaga sa alam mong may pagkakamali, but you try to nurture it. You fight for it also. You fight for it also. You fight for it also. Because nga siguro dahil sa Gemini na rin na you're looking for that duality. Nakita mo rin yung balance na hinahanap mo. You thought na you found that balance that you're looking for kung sa relationship ito. Kumbaga sa trabaho, yeah, okay, masaya ako dito emotionally kasi yung mga kaibigan ko nandirito. Okay? Pero something happened and it's all about fighting and fighting, or somebody took advantage of you, or yung amo na nga hindi nagbabayad na puro ganoon. Palaging merong ngak-ngak ng ngak-ngak, pero palagi na lang sinasabi. Because, okay. You just want to have that wish fulfillment. Kung hinahanap mo yung wish fulfillment, you will find it. Are you choosing now Mahirap ito kasi na uh, if you're on, I don't see anything crossroad here. I think are you trying to fake the happiness that you have now and to continue on fighting? Meron bang ganyan? Meron, correct? Alam mo yung tipo na you want to save that. I can see here you want to save this. Either one of this, you want to save it or you want to save both. And you want to live in that web of that ayaw mo namang gumalaw din eh, I think. But may tower moment, I think that's what will happen. Last card before. Okay. If you're gonna make a decision here, I can see na I think you're going to make the right choice. Sabi, ayan indecision, decision. Bakit hindi lumilito yung decision and indecision dito? Mukhang nangyari na ito few months ago and then later on you have the tower moment. Kung hindi pa dumarating yung okay, alam yung mga kumbaga sa DPWH nagbabaha-baha na tapos ganyan binabato na yung bahay until dumating yung time na babatuhin yung, I'm not saying babatuhin yung bahay mo Gemini, but those are the things na it gonna wake you up. There's no other how do you call it, walang yung universe na yung nagbigay sa'yo ng nudge. Yung universe na nagbigay sa'yo ng nudge. Okay, last card. I think this is still ongoing. Yes, okay. Ito yung pagkahaba-haba ng reading natin. You just cut ties. May pinutol ka na dito. Hindi ko makita kung sino yung pinutol mo because may maraming involved dito. Maraming involved dito. This is another personality. Okay, I do not know kung kanino nang galing ito. And this one is also another personality. Okay, this is another personality. Kung ikaw yung nag-o-offer nung pag-ibig na yun, this is another personality. Your twin love or twin flame or whatsoever, emotionally you combust. Kumbaga sana may connection, pero yung isa hindi nanggagaling sa solid na foundation, meaning yung kailangan hanapin niya muna yung sarili niya. Again, yung alam mo yung kapi-kapi tayo, yung ganun tipo, merong ganyan, di ba? Kapi tayo ng 3 o'clock, so ikaw naman maniniwala ka na doon ka na alas 12 palaang, pero na doon pa rin yung desire mo na to fight for that one. Okay, so it's a vicious cycle over and over and over until parang nadiskaya, nagbato ng putik sa bahay, etc. That's a classic case of that tower moment na yan. And you finally get that justice na you deserve. Kung ikaw yung na dun sa aggrieved na situation, you finally get that justice that you are looking for. Meron bang ganyan, Gemini? September 15 to 21. Ito siya, may regret on the past. It's all about cutting. Regret on the past. Pero yung offer na, may sumusulwak-sulwak. Ito yung yung Knights Pero itong nagsakit na ito it's hindi ganun kadali na okay, tapos na yung ganoon. It's something deeper na you try to rise above dung you work so hard. Dalawa yung meaning nito you work so hard to keep this balance and you fight for that one. Yes. So kung ano yung nangyari na yun na kinat mo, that would be lead to something. I do not know kung nasa stage ka na of this wish fulfillment mo emotionally, but that's what you're looking for. Yun ang completion ng iyong hinahanap, and that's the justice na hinahanap mo. Yes, Gemini, meron mang ganyan. September 15 to 21. Ito, ano itong curiosity na ito, you are entertaining something. You are entertaining something. Yes, you are entertaining something. Ito yung crow na ito yung player na na player. You know, alam natin yan, strategy. Yes, Gemini. So, check natin September 15 to 21. Kuha tayo ng oracle card. Let's see. Yes. So, weekend po mga fellow OFW. Chillax lang po tayo. Chillax. Okay. Tignan natin. May kaibigan ka bang Taurus, Gemini? Okay. Sabi dito, now is a time for focusing on finances and practical matters. You know why is they telling this? Okay. Ikaw siguro itong nag-nurturing na ito. Yes, you've been using a lot of emotions lately. That's why you are drowning yourself as well. Emotionally. Hope not. Yun ang dito. You want to keep afloat to that to rise above that parang baha, 'di ba? So lahat tayo nasa Pilipinas nalulubog. Gusto nating kumbaga sa basa na yung paa mo, definitely you want to get out of that wet environment. And we need to get out of that one quickly. Ngayon, yung universe na rin ang nagbigay. Kasi nagpo-focus ka dun sa nakaraan. I understand this is not easy. So yung universe na rin nagbigay sa'yo ng door to open up for you to see the new opportunity, new beginning. Always palagi new beginning ito eh. New beginning palagi. Tower is a very strong message na for us to wake up. Parang binuhusan ka ng tubig, and that's the justice na ibinigay sa'yo if you're looking for that equilibrium na hinahanap mo. Yes, meron mga ganyan, Gemini. Yeah. So yes, so yan po yung reading September 15 to 21, Gemini. So hope everybody is doing well. Kung shout out po tayo, kung nasaan tayong mga fellow OFW, relax lang tayo. Yeah, enjoy. Happy weekend. Salamat po.